Yeah, 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 yeah. The salad for today is mango, lots of mango, carrots and apple, and then onions, and then cucumber, lettuce, daming lettuce, and then too much mangga. Season ng mangga dito. Season ng mangga, ito pong mangoes. Kung naalala nyo to, sama kami na ako sa akong salad na not sure kung nag-share. So, salad. You know this is the gigantic honey. This is honey. Honey. Tangan akong salad. I will put salad to my mouth. I will put honey to my salad. Yes, this is honey from para masarap. Yun lang, asin at saka honey lagay ko kasi ito medyo this is not so sweet, medyo sour. So, kailangan asin at honey na. So, this is my salad. We'll mix ayan na. Yummy salad. Mango salad with lettuce, apple, and carrots, and the organic honey. Organic ito. Tapos, partner with this. Yan. Luto ni bangos. Salad, masarap. Bye! Enjoy your salad. Simple lang siya, pero very mo. Bye!
Pilipinas,